Cytomegalovirus infections. Introduction. CMV infection is very rare. Select true or false. Correct. CMV infection is very common. Most people carry the virus but show no symptoms. Every person infected with CMV has symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. Most healthy children and adults infected with CMV have no symptoms. They may not even know that they have been infected. CMV infection is more of a problem for people with weakened immune systems. CMV is spread through contact with bodily fluids. Select true or false. Correct. CMV spreads through contact with bodily fluids. This includes urine, saliva, and even breast milk. The virus can also be spread through sexual contact, organ transplants, and blood transfusions. Antiviral medications can cure CMV infection. Select true or false. Correct. Currently, there is no cure for CMV. Often, no treatment is needed. When treatment is needed, antiviral medications are used to slow down virus reproduction. Taking extra care to prevent a CMV infection is necessary for most healthy people. Select true or false. Correct. Efforts to prevent the spread of CMV are not necessary for most groups of people. But to avoid congenital CMV in newborns, pregnant women should take extra care to avoid exposure to the virus. People with weakened immune systems should also take steps to prevent CMV infection. Thank you for using Explain.